A lot to dig into tonight. We go out to our Grover Beach webcam and looking pretty good here. You can see the skies have cleared out. Weekend looks nice, but again, big changes in the offing. You'll find that in the forecast outlook. We're looking at 70s for most locations over the weekend thanks to offshore flow. Now, next week looks wet, cool to downright cold, and locally very bumpy. Not just rainfall, but also the potential of thunderstorms, very low snow levels. Could be tricky travel, not just locally, but also nationally as well. It was cold this morning. Paso Robles nearly freezing at 33, 37 Santa Ynez. It was 39 in San Luis Obispo this morning. This, by the way, the 101 slowdown continues. Richard and Karina were telling you about this at the top of the newscast. A few accidents out there have slowed traffic. It is moving, just not very quickly. 71 Santa Maria, 68 San Luis, 69 in Paso and Santa Barbara and Lompoc today, 68 Santa Ynez, 61 in Cuyama. Beyond KSBY, keep those pictures going during the holiday week. We love them. Susie Christian here, just sort of the stair step down to the beach. And up in North County, we started the day with some haze and light fog, and Cecil Horton captured that. And I appreciate those pictures. Thank you very much. Temperatures currently right around 60 degrees for most of the area. 64 Santa Ynez, 65 in Goleta, some of the warmer spots, and the winds not particularly strong. Again, they'll start pushing offshore. Here's why. The setup for the weekend is high pressure here over the Four Corners region, area of low pressure off the coast. That sets up this offshore flow. As we get into next week, we have several systems. One that's going to sneak up from the south. This could be a moisture provider for this cold trough that's going to dominate the west from Wednesday all the way into Saturday. Pieces of energy are going to go through this loop in the upper atmosphere and give us several rounds of potential rainfall. This is the European model, and it indicates anywhere between 1 inch to 3.5 inches, with locally more in area hills. This is also going to be a very low snow level type system. We're looking at snow levels for the Grapevine by later Wednesday into Thursday down to, say, 3,000 feet. That could be a travel issue. So Southern California is included as well, in Northern California in this pretty active weather pattern. Let's just take a look at things. If you are flying out to the East Coast tomorrow, there will be some significant rain for the East Coast. As we get into Monday, already snows for the Intermountain West. This is Tuesday. You can see the rain creeping into California. By Wednesday, sort of most of the West Coast pretty active. Thursday, you can see the rain and mountain snows in California. And Friday, look at the snow from Washington all the way into Iowa and Utah. You get the idea. It's going to be very active holiday weather outlook. So stay tuned for all of that. Mid-60s to about 70 degrees to start off our weekend. Santa Ynez Valley temperatures in the upper 60s. I'm telling you, enjoy it, because temperatures are going to drop significantly into next week. I think by Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, some of the daytime highs will be 10 degrees cooler than this. Here's a look at the 5-day forecast. Again, weekend looking good, Monday looking good, but as early as Tuesday, showers creeping into the area, and Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, not just rain, but potential for heavy rain and possible thunderstorms. Back to you.
All right.